welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions across the region this morning, seeing temperatures rise into the upper 40s currently. We continue to see temperatures rise into the mid-50s today. No chance of precipitation or lightning. We'll see some more unsettled conditions moving in the area once we move into Tuesday morning with some rain showers, and then we'll see a good chance of rainfall, some of that heavy at times, Tuesday night and Wednesday, with a possibility of an embedded thunderstorm. Our current sounding from this morning, freezing level at 2,500 feet, winds out of the northwest, around 20 to 30 knots in the low levels, up to 6,000 feet. Then seeing our winds continue to increase, and seeing some speed shear between 9 and 16,000 feet, increasing from around 35 to 60 knots, and continuing to see the winds out of the northwest increasing up to 83 knots at 25,000 feet. Current surface analysis, we have high pressure in control. Currently, that'll be moving off the coast. Today, we'll see northwesterly flow primarily for this morning and the early afternoon hours. Then we'll see more of a southwesterly southerly flow for the late afternoon and evening hours as that high moves off the coast, and we'll see that return flow around that high. We'll have an area low pressure impacting our area for tomorrow evening into Wednesday morning. That's currently across the center portion of the United States. It's going to be giving us a good amount of rainfall, possibly a half to an inch of rainfall across the area. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have the first cloud cover associated with that system starting to move towards the region. It's currently across western Virginia as well as West Virginia. It's going to be moving towards the area for later this afternoon, and that'll give us these mostly sunny skies transitioning to partly to mostly cloudy skies for the afternoon hours. And taking a look at the HRM model, this is the 12Z run of the HRM model, and looking at today, we'll see that cloud cover increase for the afternoon hours, and we'll see continued mostly cloudy to overcast conditions tonight. We'll see a chance of some showers tomorrow morning, especially after about 8 a.m. or 8 local. Could see those as early as 4 local tomorrow morning, but best chance of seeing a shower in the region will be between about 8 and 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Then we should see some just scattered to isolated showers tomorrow afternoon with the cloudy conditions across the region. And then for our Tuesday evening, we'll really see the bulk of that rainfall starting to move in across the area with rain showers likely after 8 p.m. or 20 local, and continuing on through the evening hours into the overnight hours. We'll see a good amount of rainfall moving in, area low pressure tracking just north of our area, and that'll allow us to see a chance of an embedded thunderstorm with that low just to our north. And taking a look at the European model for the next few days here, you can see that area low pressure tracking through the area for our Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Then we'll see a brief area high pressure build in for Wednesday. That should give us some mild conditions as well as some dry weather. And then for Thursday, another unsettled day, we'll have a large upper level trough moving into the Great Lakes as well as the Ohio Valley. We'll see a cold front advancing towards our region. We'll see a weak area low pressure developing along that cold front for Thursday afternoon. That's going to give us a chance of showers and thunderstorms across the area. Right now it looks like we'll see likely probabilities of showers and thunderstorms across the area. Some of those could contain some gustier winds, as we'll have a fairly strong wind field across the region, especially in the low and mid levels. Moving into Friday, we'll see additional disturbance pivot through the region. Could see a shower, a very slight chance of a thunderstorm on Friday, as we'll have a very limited cape, but that cape could be in the region that does allow us to see a isolated thunderstorm. As we move into our Saturday, you're going to see that upper level trough swing through the region, so can't rule out a sprinkle across the region, but moisture across the area should be much less across the Mid-Atlantic region, and that should just provide us with partly to mostly cloudy conditions. And then for Sunday, we'll see high pressure starting to build in the region with some cooler weather below normal temperatures for our Sunday before we should see a warm-up for early next week. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, green chart for today, only going to see a slight chance of a rain shower before 8 a.m. And starting at 8 a.m. on Tuesday morning. We'll see a high today at 55, a low during the evening hours into the early overnight hours of 45, then temperatures rising into the lower 50s by 8 a.m. on Tuesday. Our winds will be out of the northwest this morning, then becoming more southwesterly this afternoon, seeing peak winds around 7 to 12 knots. Could see a gust this morning to 16 to 17 knots, but overall fairly light winds in comparison to what we've seen the last few days. Overnight, we'll see winds out of the south to south-southeast around 5 to 10 to 7 to 12 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we should see VFR conditions today, and the next chance of ceilings below 3,000 feet will be tomorrow morning at 8 local. Should see some clouds around 2 to 3,000 feet right now, with the general cloud cover around 2,500 feet and the ceiling at that level. We'll see a chance of some rain showers after 8 local Tuesday morning, and a slight chance, as I mentioned, between 4 and 8 local. Our tides are currently running normal, and looking at Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday, cloudy with rain showers likely during the morning, then scattered showers in the afternoon, slightly breezy by evening, a high of 63 degrees. Looking at rain shower chances around 60 to 70% during the morning, and then should see only about a 30 to 40% chance during the afternoon hours. For Tuesday night, rain likely, some moderate to heavy at times, with a chance of an embedded thunderstorm. We'll see breezy and mild conditions, a low clouds likely, and we'll see a low temperature of 55 degrees, and temperatures rising in the low 60s by dawn. We'll see a near 100% chance of rainfall. We'll see lightning chances around 20 to 30%, so only a slight chance of that occurring in the area, but cannot rule it out with that low tracking just to our north. We'll see breezy conditions as well, with an orange for our winds. Should see gusts around 25 knots, possibly seeing gusts near 30 knots with the heavier rain showers, but right now that looks fairly unlikely at this time. For Wednesday, we'll see mostly cloudy to overcast conditions, breezy during the morning, then mostly to partly cloudy with decreasing breeziness during the afternoon. We'll see a high of 68 degrees. We'll see no chance of rainfall or lightning on Wednesday, but we'll see those winds possibly gusting around 25 knots, so an orange for our winds on Wednesday. The next 7 days, we'll see good conditions today, good sunshine this morning, then more clouds for the afternoon and evening hours. We'll see that unsettled conditions continuing for Tuesday through Thursday, with a good amount of rainfall expected Tuesday night to Wednesday. We'll see a brief dry period Wednesday afternoon, and then for Thursday, once again, seeing a good chance of showers and thunderstorms. We'll see highs in the 60s from Tuesday through Thursday, low 60s on Tuesday, upper 60s on Wednesday, and then mid 60s on Thursday. And for Friday, we'll see that slight chance of a shower around 30% during the afternoon hours, a high of 63. And then we'll see below normal temperatures, looks like for the weekend, temperatures in the upper to mid 50s on Saturday and Sunday, with more cloud cover expected for Sunday afternoon than for Saturday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.